किताबें करती है बातें बीते ज़माने की, दुनिया की, इंसानों की, आज की, कल की, एक एक पल की, खुशियों की, गमों की। क्या तुम नहीं सुनोगे इन किताबों की बातें? किताबें कुछ कहना चाहती है, तुम्हारे पास रहना चाहती है। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल पठान अल सफूरा from Standard 7 and her topic is Life Without Water.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning to our respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Pathan Al Safura from class 7. Today I will say speech about life without water. Today I stand before you to shed light on a topic at most importance, life without water. Water is the elixir of life, is a fundamental necessity, the sustenance of all living beings on our planet. Imagine a world devoid of these precious resources, a world where the streams cease to flow, the oceans run dry, and our very existence is threatened. Such a scenario is not just a distant, dystopian nation. It is stark reality we must address. पानी है कितना अनमोल, जान लो तुम उसका मोल। पानी है कितना अनमोल, जान लो तुम उसका मोल। पानी बिना धरती है सुनी, बिन पानी जीवन का नहीं है मोल। Water is the essence of life, itself intertwined with every aspect of our being, from quenching of thirst to nearing crops that sustains all living beings on our planet. Imagine a world. प्यासों की यह प्यास बुझाए सबके लिए अमृत बन जाए। प्यासों की यह प्यास बुझाए सबके लिए अमृत बन जाए। जीव जंतु और इंसान इसमें बसती सबकी जान। Additionally, water plays a pivotal role in our environment. Ecosystem thrive when water is available, promoting biodiversity and maintaining delicate balances. The absence of water, countless species, and destabilizing of the delicate equilibrium of nature. Lastly, I would like to say, धरा बचाना चाहते हो तो जल को तुम्हें बचाना होगा। धरा बचाना चाहते हो तो जल को तुम्हें बचाना होगा। खुद में सुधार कर अच्छी आदत को अपनाना होगा। नदियों में यह बेकर आए, अंत में सागर में मिल जाए। नदियों में यह बेकर आए, अंत में सागर में मिल जाए। आओ मिलकर जल को बचाए, व्यर्थ इसे ना हम बहाएं। थैंक यू टू लिसन माई स्पीच पीसफुली एंड केयरफुली ऑल ऑफ यू।
Excellent. Now I would like to call Mehman Hadia and her topic is Importance of Cleanliness.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning to respected director sir, principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Mehman Hadia from class 7. Today the topic of speech, importance of cleanliness. Today I address a topic that often goes unnoticed amidst our busy lives and the health of our surroundings. The importance of cleanliness. The cleanliness is not just about tidiness. It's a reflection for our values, discipline, responsibility towards ourselves and the environment. बिलखती है धरती बचा लो मुझे, बिलखती है धरती बचा लो मुझे, स्वच्छ व सुंदर बना दो मुझे. Cleanliness is essential for maintaining good health. Personal hygiene such as regular hand washing and proper sanitation practice prevents the spread of diseases and infections. A clean environment, free from litter, pollutant reduces the risk of illnesses and promotes a healthier lifestyle. When we prioritize cleanliness, we are essentially safeguarding our own well-being and that on our community. कदम से कदम मिलाए जा, कदम से कदम मिलाए जा, भारत को स्वच्छ बनाए जा. Moreover, cleanliness contributes to the aesthetics for our surrounding. A clean environment is visually pleasing and uplifting. It enhances the quality of life and a sense of pride in our community. Imagine walking down a street free from litter, where parks are well maintained and public spaces are inviting. Such an environment fosters a positive atmosphere and encourages a sense of belonging among its residents. स्वच्छता है तो स्वास्थ्य है, स्वच्छता है तो स्वास्थ्य है, स्वास्थ्य है तो समृद्धि है. Furthermore, cleanliness has a broader impact on our planet. Proper waste disposal, recycling, and reducing our carbon footprint contribute to the preservation of natural resources and the mitigation of environmental degradation. By keeping our surroundings clean, we play an active role in protecting ecosystem, conserving energy, and combating climate change. स्वच्छता का कर्म अपनाओ, स्वच्छता का कर्म अपनाओ, इसे अपना धर्म बनाओ. ग्रीन सिटी, क्लीन सिटी, इंडिया इज़ माई ड्रीम कंट्री. हम सबका एक ही नारा, साफ सुथरा हो देश हमारा. थैंक यू टू लिसन माई स्पीच पीसफुली एंड केयरफुली ऑल ऑफ यू.
एक्सीलेंट. वाकई सफाई पाकी हमारा आधा ईमान है. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल जलाली मारिया. She give a speech on value of discipline in life.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Jalani Mara from class 7. Today the topic of my speech is the value of discipline in life. Where do we first learn discipline? Well, at school. अनुशासन के बिना हमारा जीवन उस नाव की तरह है जिस नाव पर कोई नाविक सवार नहीं होता और वह नाव हवा के झोंकों से रास्ते भटक जाती है. इसलिए हमारे जीवन में अनुशासन का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Discipline is a set of rules to be followed while completing any activity. It is a way of being hardworking and motivated while completing any task. Discipline plays a very important role in any person's life. It does act like a building blocks for success. Any person who are more disciplined take more interest in studies. They can choose their subject and make career decisions independently. An undisciplined person may not be able to complete his work on time, wherever a disciplined person completes his any work on time and concentrate on other important work and activities. It also helps in personality develop fitness. Thus, discipline is very necessary for all of us. Without it, world would go highways. A disciplined populace contributes to the stability and progress of a nation. A disciplined nation not only advises economical invention and cultural development. Nothing in life is without discipline. If you wish to learn a musical instrument, there are rules to be followed regular, practice to be done, and a period of training that you have to undergo. Hence, discipline is very necessary for all of us. Without it, world would go highways. काम आज का आज करें, क्यों टाले हम कल पर. काम आज का आज करें, क्यों टाले हम कल पर. अच्छा हमको बनना है अनुशासन के बल पर. रोज़ सुबह जल्दी उठना हमको हर दिन भाता है. काम समय पर पूरा कर अपना मन हर्षाता. कर्मशील हम बालक है, मोल समय का जाने. गया वक्त हाथ ना आता, सच्चाई को माने. If you achieve all things in your life, but there is no self-discipline, where all things that you achieve are worthless. Thank you to respected director sir, principal sir to listen my speech carefully. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Very good. Now I would like to call Belim Aksha Banu, and her topic is importance of cleanliness.
Assalamu alaikum to respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Belim Aksha
from class 7. Today I will say a speech on importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness is a good habit. We must keep our surrounding clean. Cleanliness keep our body and mind healthy. A clean environment. We should keep our body and mind healthy. We should throw garbage in the dustbin. Cleaning our house and locality give us a healthy environment. In a healthy society, germs don't get a chance to grow. We don't fall sick in a clean environment. We should throw garbage in the dustbin. In a healthy society, germs don't get a chance to grow. We don't fall sick in a clean environment. We should it keep us fresh and healthy. It is a part of our civilization. Cleanliness keep us cheerfully mind, and we should take bath daily. Cleanliness is also important in our life. Our cleanliness can save the environment. It is keep us. If I end my speech these two lines, मन में रखो एक ही सपना, स्वच्छ बनाना है भारत अपना. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Kalwa Sahil, and his topic is life without water.
बोल दो. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. गुड मॉर्निंग टू मैनेजर सर, डायरेक्टर सर, प्रिंसिपल, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kalwa Sahil from Standard 7. Today I will say a speech about life without water. As we all know that how the water is the important for the continuation of life on the earth. Save water help to spread the awareness of saving water. It is the most basic need of everyone. Water is the unique source of life. Without water, we cannot imagine the life here. Life on other plant is not possible just because of the absence of water. It is considered as the most important among other celestial bodies. Almost 3/4 area of the earth is covered by the water, and it constitutes around 16-17 of the living world. Almost 3/4 area of the earth is covered by the water, and it constitutes around 16-17 of the living world. It seems that water is endless renewable source on the earth. Since the life of each and every living thing on the earth depends on water, so we should save water and do not waste it. Hope you all try to save water and do not waste it. If you save water, water will you save. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Now Baharuni Farhan will come, and his topic is advantage of internet.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to our managing director sir of the Sunshine English Medium School, principal sir, teacher and all dear my friend. My name is Baharuni Farhan from class 7th. Today I will say speech about advantage of internet. An internet connection allows worldwide access to people and other computer on the network. The amount of information available on the internet is growing rapidly every day. Public servers for various types of work and research are readily available to those who are connected. Public servers for various types of work and archives may be downloaded as needed. Electronic mail and interactive discussion groups allow users to communicate and share common interests with other users communicate around the world. Internet is one of the most interesting and innovative creation of mankind. It is revolution in the field of information and technology. E-governance is a new concept for India where we can get all the facilities of the government online without any rush. Thank you to listen my speech carefully, all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. This is the last contestant of